255. Who told you this? Can you tell me who told you this? Who said this to you? 256. I heard the news. Yes, I heard the news today. I already heard the news. 257. Don't lie to me. Please don't lie to me. Don't tell me lies. İki allisikis. I'm getting bored. Yes, I feel bored. I'm so bored right now. 259. Please tell me a story. Can you tell me a story? Tell me a story, please. 260. I'm feeling hungry. Yes, I feel hungry. I'm so hungry now. 261. Do you want some tea? Would you like some tea? Do you want tea? 262. Please give me some coffee. Can you give me coffee? Give me a cup of coffee, please. 263. I'll join you. Yes, I will join you. I'll come with you. 264. Let's go together. Yes, we should go together. Let's go along. 265. What time is it? Can you tell me the time? Do you know the time? 266. It's too late now. Yes, it's really late. Now it's very late. 267. Don't be upset. Please don't be upset. Cheer up. Don't be upset. 268. I'll help you. Yes, I will help you. I'll give you a hand. 269. Please try again. Can you try again? Try once more, please. 270. I'm feeling nervous. Yes, I feel nervous. I'm so nervous now. 271. Don't give up. Please don't give up. Never give up. 272. I believe in you. Yes, I truly believe in you. I believe in you completely. 273. You can do it. Yes, you really can do it. I know you can do it. 274. Don't be lazy. Please don't be lazy. Stop being lazy. 275. Work hard. Please work hard. Try to work hard. 276. Don't copy others. Please don't copy others. Don't imitate others. 277. Be yourself. Always be yourself. Please be yourself. 278. Do your homework. Please do your homework. Finish your homework. 279. Please concentrate. Can you concentrate? Concentrate, please. 280. I'm trying my best. Yes, I am doing my best. I'm giving my best. 281. Don't disturb me. Please don't disturb me. Don't bother me now. 282. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Let me be alone. 283. Don't be jealous. Please don't be jealous. Stop being jealous. 284. I'm so happy today. Yes, I feel very happy today. I am truly happy today. 285. Please smile. Can you smile? Smile, please. 286. That's a great idea. Yes, that's really a great idea. That's such a good idea. 287. I don't agree with you. No, I don't agree with you. I disagree with you. 288. Please tell me clearly. Can you tell me clearly? Explain it clearly, please. 289. What do you mean? Can you tell me what you mean? What exactly do you mean? 290. I'll think about it. Yes, I'll surely think about it. I will consider it. 291. Don't argue with me. Please don't argue with me. Stop arguing with me. 292. I'm feeling lonely. Yes, I feel very lonely. I am so lonely now. 293. Please stay with me. Can you stay with me? Stay with me, please. 294. I'll call you tomorrow. Yes, I'll call you tomorrow. I will talk to you tomorrow. 295. Don't repeat this mistake. Please don't repeat this mistake. Never repeat this mistake. 296. I've decided already. Yes, I have already decided. My decision is final. 297. That's not fair. No, that's really not fair. This is unfair. 298. I'm very excited. Yes, I feel very excited. I am really excited now. 299. Don't make me wait. Please don't make me wait. Don't keep me waiting. 300. I'll see you soon. Yes, I will see you soon. See you very soon. 301. Please hold this for me. Please hold this for a moment. Can you hold this for me? 302. The milk is boiling. Yes, the milk is boiling. Look, the milk is boiling. 303. Please add some sugar. Add a little sugar, please. Can you put some sugar in? 304. The phone is ringing. Yes, the phone is ringing. I hear the phone ringing. 305. I can't find my shoes. I don't see my shoes. Where are my shoes? 306. Let's sit in the garden. Shall we sit in the garden? Yes, let's go sit in the garden. 307. The sky looks clear. Yes, the sky is clear. Today the sky looks clear. 308. Please close the curtain. Can you close the curtain? Close the curtain, please. 309. The baby is sleeping. Yes, the baby is sleeping. Don't make noise. The baby is sleeping. 310. Let's go to the market. Shall we go to the market? Yes, let's go shopping at the market. 311. It's raining outside. Yes, it's raining outside. Look, it's raining outside. 312. Please clean the table. Clean the table, please. Can you clean the table? 313. I like this dress. Yes, I like this dress. I really like this dress. 314. Please water the plants. Water the plants, please. Can you water the plants? 315. He is watching TV. Yes, he is watching TV. Look, he's watching TV. 316. I'm cooking dinner. Yes, I am cooking dinner. Right now, I'm cooking dinner. 317. Please wash the dishes. Can you wash the dishes? Wash the dishes, please. 318. It's getting late. Yes, it's getting late. We are getting late now. 319. I'm learning English. Yes, I'm learning English. Right now, I am learning English. 320. Please wait here. Wait here, please. Can you wait here? 321. The bus is coming. Yes, the bus is coming. Look, the bus is coming. 322. Please call him now. Call him right now, please. Can you call him now? 323. The shop is closed. Yes, the shop is closed. That shop is closed. 324. The door is open. Yes, the door is open. Look, the door is open. 325. Please take a seat. Take a seat, please. Can you sit down here? 326. The floor is wet. Yes, the floor is wet. Be careful. The floor is wet. 327. I'm waiting for you. Yes, I am waiting for you. I'm waiting here for you. 328. The book is on the table. Yes, the book is on the table. Look, the book is on the table. 329. Please wash your hands. Wash your hands, please. Can you wash your hands? 330. I'm feeling hungry. Yes, I feel hungry. I'm really hungry now. 331. Please turn on the TV. Can you turn on the TV? Turn on the TV, please. 332. The room is clean. Yes, the room is clean. This room looks clean. 333. Please call me later. Call me later, please. Can you call me later? 334. The clock is ticking. Yes, the clock is ticking. Listen, the clock is ticking. 335. Please answer the phone. Can you answer the phone? Answer the phone, please. 336. I'm brushing my teeth. Yes, I am brushing my teeth. Right now, I'm brushing my teeth. 337. Please turn off the light. Turn off the light, please. Can you turn off the light? 338. The movie is starting. Yes, the movie is starting. Look, the movie is starting. 339. Please be quiet. Be quiet, please. Can you be quiet? 340. The food is tasty. Yes, the food is tasty. This food tastes good. 341. Please wash the car. Wash the car, please. Can you wash the car? 342. The shop is open. Yes, the shop is open. That shop is open. 343. Please write it down. Write it down, please. Can you write it down? 344. The water is cold. Yes, the water is cold. This water feels cold. 345. Please pick it up. Pick it up, please. Can you pick it up? 346. I'm cleaning the room. Yes, I am cleaning the room. Right now, I'm cleaning the room. 347. Please give me some water. Give me some water, please. Can you give me some water? 348. The sun is shining. Yes, the sun is shining. Look, the sun is shining. 349. Please bring the bag. Bring the bag, please. Can you bring the bag? 350. I'm reading a book. Yes, I am reading a book. Right now, I'm reading a book. 351. Please, open the book. Open the book, please. Can you open the book? 352. The baby is crying. Yes, the baby is crying. Listen, the baby is crying. 353. Please lock the door. Lock the door, please. Can you lock the door? 354. The food is hot. Yes, the food is hot. This food feels hot. 355. Please come with me. Come with me, please. Can you come with me? 356. I'm talking to my friend. Yes, I'm talking to my friend. Right now, I'm talking to my friend. 357. Please close your eyes. Close your eyes, please. Can you close your eyes? 358. The floor is dirty. Yes, the floor is dirty. This floor looks dirty. 359. Please turn on the fan. Turn on the fan, please. Can you turn on the fan? 360. I'm drinking water. Yes, I am drinking water. Right now, I'm drinking water. 361. Please tell me the truth. Tell me the truth, please. Can you tell me the truth? 362. The sky is blue. Yes, the sky is blue. Look, the sky looks blue. 363. Please open the bag. Open the bag, please. Can you open the bag? 364. I'm listening to music. Yes, I am listening to music. Right now, I'm listening to music. 365. Please don't worry. Don't worry, please. Please, do not worry.